Hey guys, what is going on, guys? It is me, Game Time, and I'm gonna go and get my friends. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna shut up and shut down this video to go and grab my friends. So, yeah. Okay, I'm back here with my friends. So, say hello to Bob. Bobby! Bob! Yeah, he can be a jerk sometimes. Here's my friend, Fred. Hey, I'm Fred. I've never been on camera before. This is so scary. Yeah! No, we can all see you. No, you can't. Well, anyway, yeah, he's another jerk, but he's still my friend. Hey. You see that fat person over there? That's a bully. Did you know that? Wonder if she can hear us. So fat. Okay. Hope she doesn't get angry. What were you just saying? You can act angry at me for that. He's such a freaking jerk. You know what? I'm gonna stop this video because of how dumb you guys are. Yeah!